this guy and that I wala guy. Same music.
I'm DJ Chalk, you're DJ Tadka.
क्या बोल रहा है गली बॉय?
US is nowhere near what
Not
India
ready.
is. We have become
Seriously,
so
they're not
digital.
ready.
जब ये भोजपुरी गाने में कमर पे QR कोड लगा.
Commented, DJ Snake commented twice. Did you see? Can I tell
What?
you something weird? You know my friend Portia, right?
Yeah.
She has the weirdest hypothesis.
Okay.
She's like, I think Tanmay Bhatt's apartment.
Hi,
Bro,
Welcome to another episode of Non-Responsible Indians podcast with myself, Pranay.
And me, Aditi.
Yes, and we are going to react to reels because we don't have anything else to do.
Content ही नहीं है.
हाँ, मतलब
Content से content बनाएंगे हम लोग.
हम कंटेंट नहीं है कंटेंट को लेकर एंड यू गाइज हैव टू वॉच इट. देयर इज नो अदर वे ऑफ शटिंग दिस. आपके लैपटॉप पर हमने कब्जा कर लिया है, सो प्लीज वॉच एंड कीप
Like, share, comment and subscribe as well.
Bro, why does that go so hard?
DJ Snake commented twice. Did you see?
Yeah.
It is like, what do you say, like the Visarjan vibes with DJ Snake. This is the example of how music में मसाला लगाने से क्या होगा. Music तड़का.
Music DJ Tadka. Bro, that we should become that. We should become.
Dude, I am telling you, there is somebody called DJ Tadka. You Google DJ
No,
Tadka.
DJ
somebody is
Tadka doesn't
coming out.
exist. I'm copywriting it.
DJTadka.ai.
Can we be something else? DJ Garam Masala.
DJ Garam Masala तड़का है तो.
No, we need a two DJ. No, you also and me. This is
तड़का
our
and Salan. तड़का and Salan. तड़का and
TNS.
Chalk.
Chalk and Tadka. I'm DJ Chalk, you're DJ Tadka. Let's go. Let us go. Abhi se we're going to forget OP.
No.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to
Fucking
another
Tadka.
episode.
Where
with
I'm
myself,
Chalk.
DJ Chalk. DJ Tadka.
MC तड़का.
MC Tadka.
क्या बोल रहा है गली बॉय?
Bro.
This guy and that I wala guy. Same music. आंखों में बीट बॉक्सिंग कर.
Bro, we need to collab. DJ Chalk and Tadka need to collab with this guy. That will be our first collab. Get
This guy is
on.
amazing.
India fans assemble here. Proud of
Proud
Tamil
of
Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Malayali.
Malayali from India.
How do they know? Itna confidence.
Arey bro, have you seen, like, now that Hanuman Kind is famous, everybody in the comments is like Malayali. So also, like, you know, that this is a very Indian thing, that the moment some Indian gets famous, that regional pride that happens, that okay, essentially what they're trying to say is Delhi, don't come and claim us.
Yes, it's always. Yes, you are right. You are right.
Yeah. Like North India, just stand back, right? You were anyways hoggers of all the attention, be it from films or be it for food. This is us. This is us. Do not try and cosplay yourself as this. This is my reading of it. Like whenever somebody is like, okay, Bengali, Marathi, from Bihar or Malayali, essentially we are not from Delhi.
Ah. I mean, when RRR became famous, they
Oh
were like,
yeah.
"Oh, Indian cinema is finally at the world stage." Like, it's not
Not
Indian
India.
cinema, not Indian cinema. This is not Indian cinema. But then obviously it's Indian, because then you have those people who come in and it's like, well, isn't this is India? This is all of India, which I agree with too, because you खाली फुकट इतना इसमें भी divide करने में
खाली फुकट इतना.
मतलब
Was
क्या
that you trying to redeem yourself as a Maharashtrian?
खाली फुकट is Maharashtrian. खाली फुकट is not Maharashtrian. This is
Isn't
पुणेरी
it?
बम्बई या हिंदी अपन ऐसे ही बोलता है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, खाली
You're trying a little
फुकट
too
किट
hard.
नहीं ऐसे बोलता है. इतना किट
खाली
नको,
फुकट.
डोक्याला ताप नको.
हमने मोहब्बत करनी है, हमने मोहब्बत की है, इस दिल के अलावा किसी से भी ना हमने इजाजत दी है. हुनर है भी इश्क का, किसी किसी को आता है, जान लुटा के दुश्मन की हमने हिफाजत की है. बात करते हैं हजारों,
भाई
Bro,
साहब.
bro, I have a theory. I have a
What?
theory.
Tell
I
me.
think Ibrahim Qadri is the Louis Vuitton of the celebrity world. Because
How
what
so?
the thing is, for common folks, like Shah Rukh Khan is so inaccessible. He's so larger than life. He's so huge that a common man cannot even fathom ever meeting him. So he's like, okay, if I cannot meet Shah Rukh Khan, let me meet the person who is the most believable. That even if I
Right.
put him on Instagram, people are not going to like really like judge or not going to be able to spot
Right.
the difference. So just like us, that maybe we're not going to be able to afford like the biggest of big brands, but just to get a taste of that luxury life, we are going to settle for a Louis Vuitton. It's accessible. So I think that's what's happening over here.
Right. I mean, if I'm a celebrity and if I'm that big, like if I'm a Salman Khan, I feel like and I'm tired, right? I'm tired. I've been doing this for 30 years, 40 years. I'm tired. I would just hire people who look like me and just tell them, why don't you go to Jamshedpur? You
And how
go
is
to
this different from
Surat.
an AI? तुम बताओ. How is this different than an AI?
This
People
is
are talking
not.
about cloning AI. तो ये तो है ही.
ये तो रेडीमेड
करो
क्लोन
जितना.
चलता. हाँ, I
चलता फिरता कौन?
this is and the thing is, it's coming back to them because people खुश हो गए कि मैंने शाहरुख खान देखा.
शाहरुख खान को देखा. नाम तो आपका ही हो रहा है. Also, I should say, if there is a Venn diagram of Elvish Yadav's fans and people who have Sangathit over there, I think they are going to be one circle.
अच्छा.
Yes. I really think. Because have you seen Elvish Yadav ka?
You're going to hate me.
Like-
Who is Elvish Yadav?
Oh, I also don't know Elvish Yadav, but I know that Elvish Yadav is a very famous person. I think he was in Big Boss or some shit.
Okay.
So if you just look up Elvish Yadav ka, like, you know, when he won, I think some Big Boss or something.
आज ट्रॉफी लेके आ गया वाइल्ड कार्ड, हिस्ट्री क्रिएट कर दी, तो बहुत दिल से ग्रेटफुल.
I think the amount of people who came to congratulate this boy. And he is
अच्छा.
like the Andrew Tate of India, apparently.
Wow.
So I can totally see the same people who have come in the jhund of seeing Ibrahim Qadri and Elvish Yadav, same fan base. I
Yeah,
think so.
I mean, the funniest thing is that the Who men are smart. They're like, ये शाहरुख खान तो है ही नहीं, हम क्यों जाए? इन लौंडे पहुंच गए.
Who may job, and he's pretty believable. Like, you know, even if he does mock, like, you know, impersonation of Shah Rukh Khan, I think he works out. He tries to put up the most believable front of Shah
Sure.
Rukh Khan. We have turned into a case study.
We will
are
get him on the
obsessed with
podcast.
Kadri.
That is our.
अरे यार आ जाइए ना पॉडकास्ट में, क्या ही है भाई?
हमारे
अरे
लिए
लोग-
शाहरुख खान is so inaccessible.
See,
We are
see,
settling
see,
for
see.
lookalikes.
See,
अब तक का सबसे बेकार कोइंसिडेंस जिसे सुनकर शायद आप रो भी दो। विराट कोहली पंजाबी लड़के हैं, पैदा दिल्ली में हुए और खेलते बेंगलुरु से हैं। अब तक पंजाब, दिल्ली और बेंगलुरु में से किसी भी टीम ने IPL ट्रॉफी नहीं जीता है।
can I tell
What?
you something weird? You know my friend Portia, right?
Yeah.
She has the weirdest hypothesis.
Okay.
She's like, I think Tanmay Bhatt's apartment smells. That nobody.
What is this Instagram comment section come to
Because-
life?
Because she thinks that, okay, Tanmay Bhatt smokes, right? And that is the reason why, like, his entire surrounding will smell of smoke, and none of the boys in the apartment shower. So her hypothesis is there is an unbearable stench in that apartment.
That's one way of putting it. Yeah.
What is all this?
These
oh
are
my
all-
god, as soon as I opened the cupboard, I'm like, yuck. Why can't boys be a
What the weirdest hypothesis? उसके
I
apartment से बू आ रहा है.
Smell of success, maybe, but
We
the
just said the same thing.
I know, but I mean, here's the thing. She's clever. She's both couples are very smart, and I think the hypothesis can be true because probability says, guys, मेरे घर में भी अभी मैंने aromatherapy. I have learnt what aromatherapy is, which basically means I have put air fresheners in every room because I've been told to put air fresheners because there is a boy smell. There is a boy smell. I'm not gonna lie. There is a boy smell, and girls usually all about the scent and the
See
smell.
that you see in the picture, that is an air
that is
diffuser right there.
See, there it is. You guys are all about the smells, and boys are
Cavemen. Full
Little bit.
cavemen only.
Little bit.
Yes.
So she might be onto something.
अरे हम देख कमर पर गुदौले बिया की हुआ रे कोड कमर पर गुदौले बिया की हुआ रे कोड अचोली में पैसा कर दिया लोड
Oh my god! What? There's a QR code on her cover.
Cover.
Come.
QR. Look at the spelling of QR code. QR
क्या-
code.
क्या-
Cover.
Oh god! What the fuck is that spelling from QR
Ah.
code in the caption? QR code.
Oh,
कमर
God.
पे QR code. Can't defend Bihar anymore. My god. अरे प्रगति. Digital India.
This is digital India. दिखाओ
Digital India.
मोदी जी को दिखाओ ये.
रियल टाइम डिजिटल पेमेंट्स अकेले भारत में होते हैं।
मोदी जी आपका जो भी आपका प्लान था वो अभी कामयाब हुआ है.
सफल हो गया. Somebody, like the comment, remember somebody said, please delete India's internet. This is what they mean.
Bro, US is nowhere near what
Not
India
ready.
is.
Not ready.
We have become
Seriously,
so
they're not
digital
ready.
that
Yeah.
जब ये भोजपुरी गाने में कमर पे QR कोड लगे, मतलब सोचो. What?
Only fans who?
Who?
You know, we are doing razor pay directly to,
Oh, God.
to the woman. Re. Oh God. I
I
love
mean,
it.
we are
I
hips.
love
Hips
it.
don't lie. I mean, this
Hips.
is,
So we are hip. We are hip people.
we are hip people. Her hips don't lie, and her hips do scan.
Yeah, Re. Her, she is. I love it. And also the hair. That chapri ass hairstyle. God.
This was my
Invoice
these were
of
my
India.
goals, yeah. These were my goals. This hairstyle was my goal. I wanted to be this.
Right now, though, it has to be your goal since the
Shit. Yes.
ball which is happening.
I'll put a QR code. When I bald completely, when I go full bald, I'll put a QR code right here.
Right here.
पैसे दे दो
सरस
यार.
खा के कोई पैसा दे दो.
हाँ, हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट के लिए पैसे दे दो.
यार, love.
that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you have any reels that you think कि ये इतना छपरी reel है कि I cannot wait to send it to my friends, make us your friends and send it to us. The Instagram handles are down in the description. And yeah, until the next time where we'll see you right
From
here.
DJ Tadka and
MC Chalk.
MC Chalk. All right, we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.